In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and save a professional estimate. We'll walk through the full process together so you know exactly where to click, what each field means, and how to make your estimate look polished and accurate. Start by heading to the left side of your screen and selecting the Estimates section. This is your home base for everything related to quotes and proposals. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new item and click Create New. You'll see several choices, and for this workflow, choose Estimate. As soon as you click it, the page will begin to load. Give it a moment to fully finish. Watch for any spinners or progress indicators to disappear so that every field is ready and responsive before you continue. At the top of the estimate, you'll see an option to add a logo. This is optional, but it's a great way to keep your branding consistent. If you decide to include a logo, make sure it's clear and high quality so it looks sharp when shared or printed. Next, select the client for this estimate. Use the client field to choose the correct contact from your list. Picking the right client ensures their details populate automatically, saving you time and helping avoid typos. Take a second to double check that the name and contact information you see match the person or company you're quoting. Now set the estimate date. This is usually today's date, or the date you want the estimate to be considered valid from. Right after that, choose an estimate number. If your organization uses a numbering convention, like a prefix, year, and sequence, follow that pattern. Consistent numbering makes it much easier to track and find estimates later. With the basics in place, it's time to add your line items. Click to add a line and enter a clear description of the product or service, along with the quantity, rate, and any other fields shown in your layout. Add as many lines as you need, there's no limit here. Aim for precise descriptions and round numbers where appropriate so the client understands exactly what's included. If you have multiple services, separate them into individual lines to keep things transparent. When everything looks accurate, take a brief moment to review totals and spelling. Once you're confident the estimate is ready, click Save. Saving locks in your work so you can revisit, revise, or share it later without losing any details. And that's it, you've created and saved a complete estimate from start to